Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make super tasty and delicious veg cutlets of vrat. You can also say it the vrat ki pakodi, है ना? So let's get started. For that, you take the chawal ka atta, grind it if you like so. Otherwise, just boil it nicely and then make it in a plate, in a big plate. Then knead it nicely, like I'm kneading it, and the easiest way to kneading it to in this oakly, ठीक है? So it becomes like rice sticks we knead, right? Beat it. So you have to beat it like that only for 10 minutes, so it becomes so nicely as a dough type, and like this you can see this. And then take the 1 teaspoon of grinded chili. Then your take oil, then add jeera, chili and salt and tomato, and roast them. Then your aloo, and then take the dough in your hand, then in the take the potato, make a ball, fry it, fry them all separately, so it will not gonna be teared it up. And yeah, and then serve it. Enjoy, do like, subscribe and comment. And yeah guys, you have to enjoy it with your dahi or the green chutney. And of course, happy Navratri, and do like, subscribe and comment, share. I'm waiting for you guys. Bye.